all, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a long that I posted a video on YouTube and I really missed it, guys, and I really miss you all. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use lipstick for different purpose. You do not have to carry a lot of palettes with you and brushes, and you just can save yourself from that hassle of carrying everything with you. It's actually on the go kind of a makeup look which you can really wear while traveling in a car, and you can also do it in office in just a few minutes, and it's gonna save your lot of time. So if you want to know how I achieve this look, then without further delay, let's start with the video. So as you all can see that I have really very dark circles. So for that I have a little trick to share with you all, that you can use a bright orange lip color, something like this. I'm sure you all own one, and this is the color of the bright orange lipstick I have. This looks like, this is the color of this bright orange lipstick. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply it under my eyes where I have dark circles. So you can use a brush. I'm just directly applying this on my dark circles, and I'm going to blend out the lipstick. And you can also use it wherever you feel you have dark spots or dark marks. Now I feel that I have darkness around my mouth, so I'm going to apply it some over there and a little bit here, there, wherever I feel I have darkness and it can hide it. Now I'm going to use my fingers to blend this lipstick around my eyes and see the magic. You can use a bright red lipstick if you don't have bright orange lipstick, and that will also perfectly work for your dark circles. And this trick is for those who have dark circles like me, so you can relate with me on this, and you can apply it on your dark circles and then just see how this works. I know right now I'm looking very funny. In fact, I'm giving a feel of a horror film, but just wait and watch, guys, how it's gonna change the game. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. And quickly I'm going to blend it out using my fingertips. So after blending this out, I'm going to use my second concealer for brightness. I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes wherever I need brightness. After applying concealer, I'm quickly going to apply foundation.
The summer's calling. The summer's calling. If the kingdom.
Now I'm going to show you the second use of lipstick, and for that I'm using a brown color lipstick. You can use any brown color lipstick you have. I'm using lipstick from L'Oreal in the shade Brown Sucre. And I'm taking some of it on my fingertip, and I'm just going to use this as my eyeshadow. So you don't have to carry tons of palette for doing your makeup, and you just carry 1 to 2 lipstick and you're done. So like this, you're not leaving your lids bare, and at the same time you don't have to spend a lot of time in blending out the eyeshadow, especially when you are too lazy to do that, or you don't really have time, you're running late. For the third use of lipstick, I'm using again that brown color lipstick, and I'm going to use this as contour, and I'm going to show you how.
smoke to clear, and we watch our dreams appear. I know that we can rise together.
Because it's like a creamy contour and not the powdered one, so it blends very smoothly onto your skin and looks very natural, as if you do not have any contour on your face. Now for the last use of lipstick, I'm going to use my orange lipstick again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it at the back of my hand like this, and I'm going to take a beauty sponge and I'm going to show you how to use this as a blush. So here's the lipstick, here's my beauty blender, a damp one, and I'm just going to take some product on it and use this as a blush. This is how it looks as a blush. Now I'm going to do my rest of my makeup and come back really soon. So this is it, guys. In this video I showed you how you can use lipsticks for different purpose, and you do not have to carry tons of palette with you, and you can carry just 1 or 2 lipsticks of your choice. And please do not forget to carry along your orange lipstick as your color corrector. And this is that simple. You do not have to worry about the blending, you do not have to worry about carrying a lot of brushes. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this video useful. Please let me know in the comment section if you find this video helpful, and please hit the like button if you like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next. Bye.